In any case, guys, this is now Carolina Reaper teas. If you would like to spoil your mother-in-law with a nice tea, now you know how. Yeah, I will see you guys next week again. Let me just go and get myself. Yeah, I can't believe that this is so hot. It is actually very nice. It's the taste is very nice, but it is insanely hot. If you must drink all this, I think you will go to hospital. That is my opinion because this stuff is insanely hot. Well, yeah, that's just my opinion. I would give this one heat 8 out of 10, 7 out of 10, and a 4 out of 10. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Please share my videos. There's a lot of new content coming. Back in a week or two's time, we'll be working on it.